My name's Jason McReynolds. I'm the general manager here at Cornerstone Cleaning and Restoration. We've been in business since 2009. Because I've been with Amber's bookkeeping, I started with Amber, so I got to work directly with her and see how knowledgeable she is. And since then, I've been assigned to one of their staff members, and I can see how good their team is. Not only is Amber great, but also the team she has that works with her. Some of the challenges, I would say, when we switched over to Amber, we did a lot of things in-house. We were looking for more efficiency, which definitely got from Amber's bookkeeping. More advice on where to categorize things. You guys do a lot for us. It's helped us. It's helped our books clean up a lot better for our tax professional that we use. I don't have to think twice about all our expenses, if they're getting categorized in the right places. I can actually focus on running the business. All the other stuff that Amber does in QuickBooks for us, I mean, I can't imagine having to do that every month. And every month her team does it, and they're really good at it.